Hey guys, so welcome to Delph Stack, and this is how to fix download interrupted in Chrome Web Store. So if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and check your internet connection. So sometimes unstable connection can cause the issue. So what you could try to do is right click on your internet, go to network and internet settings. Now over here, you could just simply go to the bottom advanced network settings, and over here you will have an option disable. So go ahead and click on that and select enable again. So this simple trick can solve the issue, and you could just simply try again downloading your file. Now, if it doesn't work, go ahead and select the three dots on the top right corner, and now go ahead and go through these settings. Now, here on the settings, go to the left side and go to the downloads tab. So sometimes if the location doesn't have the correct path file, it will not download. So make sure to correct the path file, and you can just simply select change. And of course, just simply select a location where the downloaded file will go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.